A civil authority has issued an immediate evacuation emergency for the following counties: York, South Carolina. Effective until 5:28 p.m. on Friday, December 19th. And ending until an all-clear message is given. Message from the Riots. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Communications Agency. Multiple people are currently causing riots around York and surrounding areas due to the riots happening about the free LIV camera mod in the virtual reality game The Riots. The people in the riots are thinking that they were inside the game and pressed the LIV, showing the same LIV code. The people in the riots are saying this is a scam or fake in their opinion. And people are starting riots and protests against another axiom. Police are trying to arrest people in the riots. Do not participate in the riots, as you will be arrested. Board up any doors and windows in your house to prevent destruction to your house. Stay tuned to updates about this situation.